I have memories from him since the age of 3. I remember myself maybe this age, even maybe younger. I filled up one of my father's new shoes with water with a little stick and rope. I wanted to fish, to catch fish. My father came very mad. I remember him going away, going out in the morning, coming back in the evening. He hardly talked to me. I even remember once I had a problem with my ear, and my mother said, I want him to see a doctor. My father said, I have no money. And then she took his coat to hang it, and a bunch of zlotys fell down. She said, you have no money? Ah, that's not my money. My mother was a communist. My father couldn't take it. Not only this, but I remember when I was probably 4 years old, she was arrested. And 2 of her girlfriends from the party came to take care of me. And I asked, where is my father? And they said, he rented a room somewhere and he's writing. And every day they used to take me to the Paviak prison, standing near the Paviak prison, and they were called Gigi. Gigi was my name. When I was probably a couple of months, whenever I wanted something, I closed my feet and I yelled Gigi, and they called me Gigi. My mother was looking at the window, through the window, waving me, and these are my memories. And after 3 months, she was free, and my sad father decided, I understand it, I'm not going to live with a communist, with such a woman. And his brother sent him an invitation, kind of a visa, to visit America. And one day I remember him lifting me up, hugging me and kissing me. He never did it. And he said, Gigi, I am leaving the country, and don't worry, I'll come to pick you up, or I'll invite you to come to me to America. I look at my mother and I realize that she doesn't believe him. And he disappeared in my life. I was 5 years old.